Welcome to another episode of Lecheng Pag-ibig To. Thank you for listening to the podcast. And if you haven't done it yet, we are inviting you to click that like and subscribe button wherever you get your podcast. Spotify, YouTube, and to all those sending
Grabe naman
comments.
si Best Wedding Host, no?
So, grabe naman. Please, send the comments. We love to, whether good or bad comments, whether you agree with us or not, we love to hear from you and spark intelligent conversations.
Amen.
Even bobo conversations, I like.
Wow. Oo, minsan pang ano lang, no?
Pang trip lang.
Abagay, pampahype ng buhay yan eh.
Correct.
Ngayon nga sa impeachment hearing, may mga naririnig tayong bobo comment eh.
Ay, nako.
Bobo comment! Ay, pero ito.
Speaking of friends and loving to hear from people.
Speaking of friends,
Yes.
naka-experience ka na ba na sobrang close nyo before, pero nung unti-unti nang umaangat yung buhay mo, nagiging successful ka, parang what na silang say sa'yo? Wanang paramdam?
Paramdam or
Both.
ikaw rin hindi mo rin masyado na sila kinokontak?
You tried na parang na-realize mo na parang ako lang lagi, pero never na sila. Something like that. So minsan nga iniisip ko, baka naman busy lang tong mga friends mo na to. Baka pare-pareho lang kayo may mga pinagdadaanan sa life. Pero hindi eh. For sure meron kayong mga mapapansin na active naman sila on social media, hindi man pala post. They always view your stories, but whenever you post your achievements, not a single congratulations, mapa-PM man, mapa-private message.
Would you get hurt?
Before, hindi eh. But then I realize,
From a culture that's very tampuhin. Aminin natin.
okay, yes. Pero kasi,
Baka minsan, hindi naman galit, pero parang, grabe naman to, laman lang pa.
bakit hindi ka magtatampo kung hindi naman sa comment nga inaantay mo, private message lang eh. And trinay mo na i-brush off yun before. Pero parang dire-diretso na nafe-feel mo. I mean like, is there something wrong with being successful here in the Philippines na parang pakiramdam mo, kapag nagiging okay yung buhay mo, parang hindi ko sure kung ayaw nyo ba? Or,
Parang, breakdown natin into two segments, two
Okay,
topics, no?
kasi babasahin ko muna to. Napapost ako eh. Because I really felt this. Sabi ko sa threads, the new Twitter. Why is it that when you finally hit your goals, the circle gets quieter? It's a lonely feeling when the people you expected to celebrate with you turn cold. At the end of the day, success is the ultimate filter for finding out who is really in your corner. So there are a lot of replies dun sa threads. And ang nakakatuwa kasi dito sa threads, sometimes if hindi nyo kakilala masyado yung tao, nag-engage sila na parang close na close talaga kayo.
Correct. No, like I said, it sparks good conversation.
I think kilala to ng lahat and we would love to have you soon here on the podcast. Si Zach Alvis.
Okay.
Nag-comment siya. Sabi niya, because you remind them what they could have been if they didn't give up on their goals. May nag-reply din, RC Tadeus on thread. Because not everyone will celebrate your success and that's okay after all. You did not do it for them.
To add to that before you get to the next comment, sometimes your biggest
Haters.
hater or people who are jealous about you are your friends. And sometimes your biggest supporters are strangers.
Amen. That's true. Oh, ito pa. Si Reg Ciruelos, I think losing friends is part of adulting.
To add to that again, which we'll discuss later. It's phases of life eh. Also when you level up, I'm not saying na, alam mo yun, na hindi lumevel up friends mo, but kahit pa paano, iba na rin siguro yung needs, wants mo. Even when it comes to friends. Could be.
Ibang circle na yung gusto mo? Parang
Not
ganun?
necessarily different circle. Parang, let's say, for example, meron kang barkada nung party days mo.
Oh, yes.
Because every phase of life, every group of friends probably serves a purpose. Cycling friends,
Yes.
they're there when you want to work out or whatnot. Party phase, diba? But how many of them, the guys you used to party with, bilang mga 30 na tayo, no? Mga 20s natin, ka-party natin, yan. But how many of them would you really call pag may kailangan ka?
Gandang ano yan,
But they were
realization.
at school. Sobrang saya lang kasama, wala naman naging away.
Mga friends na kasama mo lang sa saya.
Yeah. Pero, not to say na hindi ka nila tutulungan, pero hindi rin sila, nasa different phase of life ka na. So, different na rin yung hinahanap mo connections. Different, siguro na you want connections with people who are going through the same experiences as you are. Maybe
Same
maybe
wavelength.
kids, yeah, wavelength. And it's okay kung hindi na kayo magka-wavelength. I don't think there's anything
You
wrong
know,
with
that's weird. Because yung closest friends namin ni Mike, parehong walang anak. At parehong hindi namin ka-ira. Mas bata sa amin.
Correct. And sometimes yun nga, it's the wavelength. It's not the age.
Yeah, it's not the age.
it's not the
True.
age. It's not the
Wavelength, yung parang same kayo lahat ng nandun kayo sa path ng buhay nyo.
It's also not
Ganda
the
nung
social
bringing
status.
up mo yan. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not-
yeah. Definitely.
It's just, it's why it's harder to find friends as you grow older. Make new friends, make new friends.
And it's tiring to make new friends as you get
Kasi
older.
Meron ka ng circle, comfortable ka na dun.
Parang, hindi naman sa unfriendly ka, tapos ayaw mo magdagdag. Yung asa tito at tita, yung pagod ka
Piloto ka
lang.
na eh.
Pagod ka lang for socials. Gets mo ba? I mean, like,
Yeah.
or baka ako lang yun.
No, it's true.
Hindi
It's
naman
true.
siguro masama ugali mo pag, hindi sa ayaw mo magdagdag ng friends. It's just that, ang dami nangyayari. So,
It's like going to a bar or to a club. Parang, yeah, I know it's gonna be fun, but
we can
pass
be,
na lang.
like, we can be acquaintance, but not friends na close friends.
Correct. Or
right?
it'll take a long time to get there and to put in the work to actually get to that level.
There's
of
work.
Yeah,
Correct.
of
There's work. You
course,
have to
there is.
talk. Or kung
Then-
nandito kayo pareho sa Pilipinas,
Oo.
kailangan yung magkita at lumabas.
In-
But there are friends na hindi mahirap i-manage eh. Yung kahit di kayo lagi
Of course,
nag-uusap,
of course.
di
But the
kikita.
wavelength is still there. Let's go back to the
Yes.
wavelength. It's still the same wavelength. That's why you still maintain the friendship.
So you agree na losing friends is part of adulting? Yes.
Could be. Yeah.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah. Oo.
You. I'm not
Definitely.
saying leveling up your lifestyle or upgrading. It's just maybe more mature.
And what is wrong with upgrading your friends?
Mhm.
If you feel like hindi na kayo, hindi na match yung energy mo
Yes.
dun sa mga dati. There's
Or
nothing
values
wrong with it.
even.
Oo. You can still call them, can you still call people friends pag hindi na malalim yung mga usapan?
Alam mo si
Or
Elsa,
hindi na sila yung go-to mo?
kasi there was an era, parang last month. Hindi, ganun. An era. Last month lang.
Ang bilis ah.
Hindi, lagi yung
Oo.
tinatanong sa akin kasi I am the type na, let's say, especially before, na on birthday ni ganito, kahit hindi kami sobrang close, I'll go, I'll show up. And she'll always ask me, close ba kayo niyan?
Ganda.
Gano'n kayo close? Hindi siya galit ha.
Oo.
Curious lang
And
siya
there's
malaman.
nothing wrong with it.
Curious lang siya
Yeah.
malaman na, how much do you really know about this person?
Esa, same Esa.
And if you want to go to his or her party, go.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell you not to go.
Do you bring her?
I'm just,
Dun sa kahit na ikaw lang yung friend?
siya yung parang sinasabi mo ngayon eh. Ano na siya eh, parang, I'm okay with my circle.
Kasi just last time may inatinang kaming ganyan, tapos tinanong, hindi ko ka-close ni Mike. Kasi kano mo sila ka-close? Ito talaga yung mga ka-close ko, blah, 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 and all that.
Tapos tinanong niya sa akin,
Hindi naman sa hindi ko gusto pumunta, pero I could have stayed at home, but my husband want me to go with him. So, syempre, go
yun dahil.
tayo.
So,
Oo.
tinanong pa nga sa akin, there was one friend, nakalimutan ko na kung sino, sabi niya,
So, umalis ka ba nun?
umalis ako. Sabi niya, so, okay.
So, close ba kayo?
Sakto. I
Oo,
always say
saks
sakto.
lang,
sakto.
saks lang.
Sabi, ano
Paano ba yung sakto?
Hindi
Ang
ko na
daming tanong
ma-explain.
din sa atsa.
Hindi,
Paano yung
si
sakto?
Esa ganyan, paano sakto? What does he do? Na-realize ko, I don't know.
Yun yung question ko kanina, like, can you still call the people friends? Kung una, hindi na kayo masyado nag-uusap. Pangalawa, hindi na sila yung go-to person mo pag nagkakaproblema ka. Tapos, hindi na malalim yung mga conversation.
Mind you, this is 30, 40 problems. Because if you're in your 20s listening to this, we appreciate you listening to the podcast. But at that
You'll never
era,
know.
Yeah, but that,
Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, na close friend namin ni Mike. Same
20s,
wave. 20s pa, same
are you
wavelength.
serious?
Seryoso. Same wavelength. Same wavelength with me. Na ganun siya. At
Baka
parang,
kayong mabata.
ate, ba't ganun? Sabi niyang ganun. Sabi ko, hindi mo pa na-experience yan. Kasi
Then you forget.
surprisingly, meron din. At 20s, late 20s na experience na nila. Okay, so ito.
Continue.
It's a sad realization, but ultimately it needed to happen so you can achieve those goals. Nawawala na kasi sa new frequency mo yung mga taong part na nung old life mo. Pero ang kapalit naman nun ay ilalapit ka sa pagkakataon sa mga instrumental success mo. But it's so frustrating and sad for me and unfortunate kasi parang papi, bakit kailangan mangyari?
It's part of life. It is part of life.
Nagigets mo ba ako?
Yeah.
Maiintindihan ko pa siguro kung hindi na kayo same ng wavelength. Wag lang yung, dahil hindi maganda yung nangyayari sa life nyo at this point, dapat pare-pareho na hindi may mga ganon.
Are you talking about, okay, parang iba na to eh. Are you talking about the friends who are parang not happy for your success?
Pwedeng ganon nga eh. Hindi mo nga alam happy ba or busy lang. Kasi sometimes we have friends na, aminin man natin, nasa isang same group of friends kayo, na kung ikaw thriving sa life mo or thriving sa career, kahit saan pa yan, career or sa buong buhay, sabihin na natin, and then meron silang mga hang-ups at ibang pinagdadaanan. dapat ba pare-pareho tayo na
Or how about the competitive friends?
may ganon?
Wala kang friend na ganyan. Parang, okay,
Isipin ko
kung tawag dito, kung kailangan ganito ka,
Parang
kailangan,
na-realize ko parang meron yata.
to break it up. Kaya ito yung,
So, ano?
muli kang, simple thing, muli kang bagong shoes or bagong bag. Wait.
Meron na, may naisip na
Kailangan
ako.
may ganyan.
May
din.
naisip
In a
na
few
ako.
months, parang,
May naisip na ako.
ganyan ka na.
I know. May naisip na ako. And off-air, you'll be surprised kung ano ginagawa nito. You'll be surprised kung hanggang saan umabot.
The competitive friend.
Pero di ba hindi dapat maging competitive? Or baka idol ka lang ng sobra? Kaya lahat ng gagawin mo, gagawin din.
Ramdam mo yung,
Pero bang ganon?
Ramdam mo yung idol, ramdam mo yung parang,
Hindi
competing.
Oo, hindi dapat eh.
May silent
Competition.
silent war underneath going on.
Mas mahirap yan. Pero mahirap din yung sinishare ko experience.
Oh.
I mean, yung sinishare ko experience, yung sinishare ko na parang kung may same set of friends ka na okay buhay mo sa MYG,
Okay.
pero meron kang ibang mga friends na hindi masyadong okay yung life ngayon.
Mm.
And you feel like slowly fading yung relationship kasi hindi mo sure kung ba't hindi ba sila masaya from where you're going?
Hindi sila masaya for you.
That's what I feel.
Could be, yun nga. I think it's also connected to what I just said, na medyo,
And ayoko i-take yun personally kasi parang iniisip ko, baka meron lang matinding mga pinagdadaanan. But sometimes you just can't help but question na, talaga ba? Bakit parang di masaya?
parang distant ka sa akin.
Distant is the term.
Hindi naman galit.
Hindi galit, hindi galit.
Pero parang,
Distant.
parang dumidistansya ka.
Distant.
Ano meron?
Oo.
Ganon.
Na whenever you share happy and success stories,
Parang hindi ka happy para sa akin.
you'll see na parang,
Gets ko yan. May mga ganyan eh. Na parang,
and
or parang, even worse, nag-happy-happyhan. Pero deep inside, parang may ramdam ka, parang
hindi nga nag-happy, parang minsan nga, mapifeel mo parang hindi talaga
Dead-
nag-happy
dead man na lang
happy
talaga.
So, yun lang, nakakalungkot. And what do you do kapag may ganun situation? Ayaw mo naman,
Do you end the friendship
No.
or
no.
I
I have, parang binibigyan ko sila ng benefit of the doubt.
ako rin?
Feeling ko baka they're just going through something.
Oo. Correct. I also don't think I'd end unless may ginawa.
Yeah.
Then it's a different story. But yung mga siguro gusto dumistance lang, I'd take it as okay. Maybe
They're going through something.
Or-
But how hard is it if you're always online to say congratulations or to say I'm happy for you sa mga friend mo na matagal mo nang kasama? Especially if they are really winning in life.
Mhm. Okay, here.
Kasi
I remember.
ako, sa aking friends, hindi man ako perfect na kaibigan, pero pag kaibigan ko talaga, tapos nakikita ko talagang thriving in life,
Mhm.
kahit gaano ako ka-busy, I'll find time to say, congratulations,
Correct.
I'm so happy for you, mapa-comment man yan, or private message,
Mhm.
or kung saan man. Basta paparamdam ko na, I'm still here, kahit di tayo lagi nag-uusap, I'm still here, I'm still your friend, and I'm happy kung nasan ka.
Agree.
We don't have to talk every day.
Yeah. Coming from where you're saying, are you also a bit hurt? Walang congrats. Parang
Oo
meron.
naman.
Because you were expecting the
Hindi.
message.
Because that's what we are before. So yun nga haba sigurong, kaya
It's
binibigyan
hard
ko ng
to-
benefit of the doubt kasi
Yun nga,
iniisip ko kasi,
I also can't
you know why
speak for them because I don't know what's going on in
I'm
their
giving them
minds.
the benefit of the doubt
Oh.
kasi papi, sa utak ko kasi, same with my relationship with Mike, habang nagkakaedad kami, nag-iiba Nag-iiba
Of
yung
course.
kung paano kami
Dynamics
sa isa't
nyo.
isa. But
Yeah.
yung love nandun.
Of course.
Nandun pa rin. Same din with our friends. Baka pwedeng ganun. Matatagal na tayo magkasama. Hindi man ganito na yung ginagawa natin before. Pero wala naman nagbago. Yun pa rin yung tingin ko sa'yo.
But also yun nga eh. That's why you married someone kasi parang through thick and thin,
Yeah.
diba? You're gonna still love that person. But we can't also, I guess, say that for all of our friends kasi iba-iba rin yung ugali ng tao eh.
True.
Diba?
Oo.
I remember, yun nga, you mentioned I posted something. I looked for it. Okay. Maybe this might enlighten us a little bit. You will know that you're growing when the things that, ito personal reflection muna, that used to excite you, suddenly start to bore you already.
Mm.
Ay, siguro yun nga, medyo lumalabas-labas ka dati. Tapos inisip mo, boring na ba akong tao? Diba? Depressing na ba to?
Or
You're not-
emotional na ba akong tao?
You're not depressed. It's called elevation.
Huh?
Mhm.
Paano?
Kung let's say, the club used to be the highlight of
Oh
your
yeah,
week.
gets
diba?
na. Oo.
Now it's just pointless for you. Dati, chismisan used to be entertainment. Ngayon parang nakaka-drain na yung chismisan. Hindi na siya exciting. The people you used to hang out with every weekend, parang nakakapagod na rin sila. Parang you don't care to hang out with them also. Parang nag-end na rin yung chapter
Kasi
ng friendship nyo.
napapagod ka na. So, kung mag-hangout ka, pinipili mo talaga kung sino.
Correct.
Right?
Tapos inisip mo sa sarili mo, like you asked kanina, is there something wrong with me?
Exactly. That's what
You
I
start
asked.
questioning yourself. Parang,
Oo.
shit, boring
Totoo
na ba
yan.
ang tao?
Or, overthinker lang ba ako?
Oo, exactly.
Ganyan, oo.
Diba? Is there something, you question yourself, is something wrong? May mali ba sa sinasabi?
O di syempre, dahil sarili natin to, pag
Correct.
tatanggol natin yung sarili natin, hindi, parang wala namang
Or naging
problema.
antisocial ka ba?
Yes.
Is masyado ka bang introvert?
Correct.
Diba? Or depression ba to? Kasi things that used to excite you before, even like hanging out with them, parang hindi na as exciting. Diba? It's not something that's wrong. It's called
Adulting.
outgrowing.
Oh,
It's also, I used to
ayoko
work,
naman nung outgrowing tong friends na to. Parang
it's
di
not
ko
also,
kaya.
sorry.
But yeah,
I'm gonna also
papi,
rephrase what I
might
said
be.
kanina. Sabi ko kasi leveling up. Hindi, it's outgrowing. Yun yung tamang
Oo.
term. Leveling
Hindi
up
elevation,
kasi,
hindi elevation.
Leveling up might be something else na, but it's outgrowing.
Ay, nakakalungkot.
In as much as every plant, if you look at may plant tayo sa likod, nakita ko lang yung plant sa likod mo. At one point, mag-grow yung plant, di na siya kaya ng paso. Diba? Because the plant has already grown. And at that time, the paso was there. It was the home of the plant. Doon na talaga, doon lumaki. Diba? Doon namunga and everything from that tree. But at one point, you're also, now you have kids. Now you have 3 kids. Diba? Now, the things that you want. But siguro gusto mo bagong bagay, parang vacation yung mga trip mo. Instead of material things.
Super true.
Maybe you're already in that era where, okay, kahit may bagong bag si Chanel, wala na akong pakialam dyan. Gusto ko makapunta ng Switzerland. Yun na yung bago kong thing.
Oo, totoo. Para nalang kung regaluhan niyo ako.
Diba?
Char. Pero totoo yun.
So once again, it's not leveling up. No? Kasi pwede naman, it's
Outgrowing. Parang, I have to agree with it.
That era was
I can sell all my bags now.
correct. That era was there.
Oo.
I'm probably done with that.
True.
But at one point, diba? Girl,
Gustong-gusto ko yun.
girl,
dati.
teka,
True.
gusto ko itong may bago si Chanel. Teka, kailangan natin makakuha nito.
So there is also a thing as outgrowing
Yeah.
friends.
Um,
And sa ganong situation, kasi kung material na bagay, madali yan. But outgrowing people, paano?
you know why you're feeling
How
that
do
way?
you deal with that?
Kasi may loneliness na kasama dyan eh. When you outgrow.
Yun na nga, how do you deal kapag ang na-outgrow mo, pakiramdam mo ay tao?
Ay,
So-
nakakalungkot. Wala. It's really eh.
You just have to go with it.
But after a while, after the outgrowing and the loneliness and the down, things will start to clear up. Then you will
Ito na naman mga
understand.
problemang 40.
Oh, then you will understand. Ngayon kasi parang shit. Yun nga, like what you mentioned kanina. Bakit di man na nag-congratulate to? I feel bad, ganyan. But then, after a while, it becomes clear. It all makes sense na parang, oh shit, outgrow ko na pala to. Yung dating inuman na sagaran na hanggang hindi na ako makalakad, diba? Gusto pag-uwi ko talaga smash. Diba? Yung 3 days ako makaka-recover pero okay lang, masaya naman eh. Pero na-outgrow ko na eh.
So parang hindi lang bagay na outgrow,
People?
hindi lang yung event sa buhay natin, even people.
Even people. And it could get...
And people
you-
who are closest to us, pwede nating ma-outgrow.
And you feel like there's something wrong with you. Pero, hindi eh. Meron siyang depressing part before it starts to get all clear and starts to make sense.
Yeah. Pero, or baka embedded yung kultura dito sa the crab mentality.
Mhm.
In the Filipino culture,
Mhm.
na for other people, ang hirap maging masaya sa happiness at success ng iba.
Mhm.
So instead of celebrating them, hindi mo man sila i-pull down,
Mhm.
wala ka na lang pake.
True.
Dead ka na lang. Is that also part of the culture na meron tayo? Pero kayo, sagutin nyo yung mga nasa comment section. I mean,
Mhm.
mahirap ba na maging masaya at happy para sa success ng ibang tao?
Parang,
Kung mga magnanakaw sila sa gobyerno, yes. Char. Oo, minsan mapatanong ako kay Lord eh. Lord, ba't ganon? Kailan mo sila kukunin? Ang tagal naman. Ang saya-saya nila.
kasi,
Pero I mean, for
Totoo.
those people who started from scratch at nakita mo kung paano sila naghirap at tas nakikita mo kung nasan man sila ngayon, dugot pawis talaga yung pinuhunan, why is it hard for others to be happy for those people?
good question.
Right?
Oo. Wala,
Dahil-
maybe ikaw nag-grow, pero baka sila hindi. Maybe they're still there. So,
and surprisingly, when I posted that, hindi ako nag-iisa sa pakiramdam. Magugulat ka sa ibang sagot nila. Let me just read this. Sabi ni Moniz Joy, pag nauuna ka makahit ng goals mo, nawawala na sila pa isa-isa. Or when you want to talk about goals, life, finances, nagiging awkward for them. Ito pa isa.
outgrow once again.
Matcha girl Nikki. Ironically, it is the same also when you hit rock bottom, your circle shrinks as well.
You can tell a lot about a person when they have everything and when they have nothing.
Oh, ito. Si J.R. Lensardua. I always believe and proven na totoo daw yun. That not everyone around you will cheer for you. Not everyone whom you think your friend is really a friend who will celebrate your wins. And last na lang si Vitz Cabarro. Sad truth, but it's part of the process. Yun yung sinasabi mo kanina.
Yeah.
Process of outgrowing
And
things and people.
alam ko outgrowing it might be a big word, but the first part of growing is not even exciting. It's boring. Kasi doon, eto na yung sinasabi mo kanina, parang yung mga friends ko nawawala. Parang hindi na nila ako na-congratulate. Parang nawawala sila. And then you think the problem is you. Kaya yung growing na yan, hindi siya exciting sa umpisa eh. It starts with a dip. It starts getting lonely first. It starts getting down before it turns and, okay, I've outgrown. I'm okay now. Even if you don't congratulate me, I'm okay.
Yeah. Pero ang lungkot, no?
Yeah, but it
Kasi
starts
like,
with that.
You
It
can't
starts with
share
the
your
lungkot.
success with the people na kausap mo before nung
But
walang-wala ka pa.
But then it'll also get to the point na you find that new group na, shit.
You're seeing their colors. Yeah.
Yeah. And sometimes that group will stay for the rest of your life because they just get you.
Wow. Kasi na-mention mo yung word na outgrow and then someone commented na outwork them until your warm up is their breaking point.
Well, that's, I agree, more of a motivational thing na parang if you're out to prove something,
No,
but we're just here talking about reality.
Yeah.
Like without,
It saddens me kasi, Papi, bakit kailangang umabot sa punto na pag successful ka, merong mawawala talaga?
yeah.
No?
Ganun
You really
talaga.
can't have it
I
all.
agree.
Ang lungkot.
Oo. Yun ang hinahanap ako na-
Malungkot. Oo. I don't know if nagigets tayo din ng mga nakikinig sa atin. But I'm sure at one point...
Trentahens and the quarantahens are
No,
getting
at one
this.
point in your life, kung kasing edad namin kayo ni Papi and hindi ko naman sasabihin na sobrang successful ko or whatnot. Pero feeling ko kung nasan man ako, pinaghirapan ko naman. So, sana yung mga close sa akin, yung totoong close sa akin, sana happy sila ng totoo sa akin.
That's when
Sana
you'll
sobrang
know.
happy sila sa akin. Kasi, they know where I started. I'm the my tondo girl. So, wala kang tinapakang tao, wala kang kinis-as,
The hustle is real.
The hustle is real. So, that's why it's so hard for me to understand why.
Why you can't be happy for
why
my
can't-
success.
Yes. Kasi for sure, if mangyari din naman sa inyo, yun nangyari sa akin, at super close tayo,
But
I will be very happy.
yun nga, you can't be happy for everyone. Everyone will also not be happy for you.
Lungkot.
And that's
It's
life.
sad. It's sad. And that's life. That's
Yeah,
life.
and
True.
then we go back to the tree and the paso.
Oh.
And then ask yourself, diba? Are you gonna stay in the paso forever? Maybe also not, because you also want to grow. And once you grow, there are things that probably won't fit anymore.
Ito yung point of view na mga ito yung nakakaramdam. So sana dito sa episode na to, ito naman yung point of view nung mga friends
Or-
na
yeah,
ganun kayo.
correct.
Who are, your
Agree.
friends is there, pero you know deep inside na hindi ka masaya.
Mhm.
Na ikaw lang makakapagsabi niyan.
Alam mo yan.
Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan sa
Alam mo yan.
sarili mo.
Hindi kami pwede magsabi para sa inyo.
Alam mo yan, di tanga yung friend mo, nararamdaman at mararamdaman nila yan.
Agree.
Mhm.
Well, let's all be kind to each other.
Yeah.
We all have our stories. I always tell people about this. Lahat tayo, we all have our struggles, our stories.
True.
Kaya even the most successful people.
It's lonely at the top nga daw.
Mhm.
Oy, most people who are at the top, yun ang
Because-
sinasabi
Because now you don't know who your real friends are. If they're after, what are they after? Kayamanan mo, friendship
Gusto
mo.
lang mangutang nitong mga kumuklose
Oo.
kay Sam eh. Pwedeng ganon.
Ano ba talaga? Buti na lang sa Salmon Bank ko. 0%.
Buti na lang, may salmon bank ka na ngayon.
Oh, 'di ba? But thank you, and we hope you guys don't be afraid to outgrow your paso, to outgrow friends, life situations. Chacha nga mentioned, diba, at one point, hilig mo sneakers. Ngayon, yung pera mo parang wala ka nang pakialam sneakers. Pakialam mo na travel. It's also maturing. It's growing up. And that's a phase of life. It might be weird, losing some things along the way. Might be boring. But it's part of growth.
Part of life.
Part of growth.
The only constant thing in this world is change.
But we hope you are changing for the better.
Amen. Amen.
And on that note, thank you for listening to the podcast. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Be safe, be good.
Bye-bye.